Nobody wants to lose their car to a fire, whether it be electrical fire, gas fire, whatever. All those years and time you put into your car, and all of a sudden, boom, it can go down in like 5 minutes. That's the worst thing in the world. So today I got these fire extinguisher mounts from Drift HQ. I'll leave links in the description. But we're gonna go ahead and install these real quick. It's super easy, and it's gonna be a quick video. So these are designed to sit right flush with the stock seat bracket. So let's just lay it in place, and they have multiple holes, so you can have it as far in or as far out as you want. It's up to you, and it'll pretty much sit like that with the fire extinguisher on it. Now, fire extinguisher is sold separately. So this is a fire extinguisher I found. Got it from Amazon. It's skinny, and it's a B&C, which is liquids and electrical fire, and that's pretty much all car fires. So it has a bracket already, and the bracket has holes, so you can actually mount it directly to this, and when it's mounted, it will pretty much sit just like that, and that's a perfect fit. I'll leave a link in the description for that one too. Now that you got your fire extinguisher bracket mounted to your seat bracket with the bunch of random bolts you got laying around in your house or in the garage, now it's actually time to put it in the car. And don't forget the strap. Now, first thing we got to do is move this seat back so we can get access to these bolts. I believe they are 16s. All right, now with the 16mm bolts out of the way, you can actually lift this up enough where you can actually get this bracket under the seat, and it will actually latch right here, and it will actually go to the contour of this corner right here, 4036. And just like that, lines up exactly with the OEM bolts. Now you just put those bolts back and you are done. You got the seat back to where it's mounted, and again, these have slots so you can actually go further or backwards however you want it, but I think that's a perfect spot. So let me get in the driver's side and see what it looks like. So now here I am in the driver's seat, so if anything crazy happens, it's not hard for me to reach over here and grab my fire extinguisher. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Deuces. Now get that fire extinguisher out of your back seat. I had one too.